we present you a new video. PDC repair BMW, wiring problems. Where are they and how to fix them? First, check which sensor is not working, then its wiring. Turn on the ignition and press the PDC button. Lightly caress each sensor, and with the functional ones, you will feel and hear these impulses. Remove the engine shield. Remove the right bottom cover. This is the electrical socket for the front PDC sensors. Check if there are broken wires near the electrical socket. I removed the front bumper to check the PDC electrical system because the customer said that the car was hit in the front. Check the continuity of the wires between the sensor socket and the general socket on the front bumper, respecting the colors of the wires. Because everything is fine, I returned to the PDC installation on the car, and this is what I found. I soldering and extended the interrupted wires by insulating them with heat shrinkable tubes. The sensor wires that are not working have the colors green, white, brown, white, blue, black, Before installation, we do a test to see if the system works. Now the system works. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.